8 seconds to shoot. Number 13, no good. Rebound by Sara. Pass to number 7. No good. Rebound by number 29 to number Sara. Basket by number Sara.
Ayun, rated eh. Rated si Anthony, bawal. Import ka yan. Wala.
Number 7, 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 29. Number 2. To number 7, 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 29. Basket na naman.
Talon! Par, pasok na!
13-4-3. No good. Rebound by number 18. May foul. Foul number 7.
Naka-score ah. Hindi kasi ngayon Friday eh. Friday pala yung ano. Oo. Dito pre, sakitan dito. Dito. Kaya natin yung sabi lahat. Ising Friday lang.
Saro, pass to number 2. Tumbira na 3. No good. Rebound by number 0. Pass to number...
Tapat! Ay,
10 seconds. Number 0, no good. Rebound by number 3. 3 to number 7. Number 7, no good. Rebound by number 7 again. Number 7. May foul. May foul si number 0.
Par, bigay yung screen. Ay, kuha muna.
Number 20. Basket.
Piso lang. Titira.
Number 7 for 3. No good. Rebound by Steven Lyon. Sabe. To number 0. 10 seconds shoot. 5 to shoot.
Taas.
Number 0. Basket.
Bawal yun, rated.
13 to number 7. Basket. May kasama pang foul.
Shot. Graduate.
Basket count number 0 foul.
Ilan yan si Anthony? Isa.
Second personal foul.
Dalawa na?
Bonus free throw basket.
Dalawa na si Anthony. Carmelo, dalawa na.
Number 2.
Huli!
Pass to number... May foul si numero 25. 25. Foul. Huli foul. Number 7. 10 seconds shoot.
Sandoy.
0. 5 seconds shoot. 0. No good. Rebound by number 25. Good.
Hoy!
Oh, steal by number 0. 29 to number 7. No good.
Diretso mo na!
25.
Diretso mo!
25 to number 7 to number 13. No good. Number 13 again. Rebound by 0. Ay, nakuha ni number 3. Number 3.
Diretso!
Number 3 to number 20. 20 to number 25. 25. Oy, turnover.
Sabi siya?
Sabrek, substitution. 21 in, number 3 on.
Hindi pa makuha. Nakapapa. Oh, 3 points, si Anthony!
Sarah, number 7. Number 7. May jump ball.
Nice jump ball.
Salmias ba?
Salmiya, Salmiya. Saan mamaya?
Symbol, Salmias ball. Number
Nice D!
8 seconds. Number 0 for 3. No good. Grab by number 2. Number 2 now. To number 0 basket na naman. Oh, pinasa ka number 7.
Mata pa.
Number 7 for 3. No good. Grab by 30. To number 20. 20. To number 7 for 3. Bang! It's a tie.
Par, taas, 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 taas!
7. To number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 2. No good. Number 2 again. No good.
Atin. Kanila sa kanila.
Time out. Salvia. This time out brought to you by V Sports Savannah. Kusinang Pinoy. Venta, Cafe, and Restaurant. Tours Savannah.
Parang yung mga... Yun. Saan mo si Albino?
10 seconds. 5 to shoot. May foul. May foul si number 25. Sabrep.
Albina!
25. For the foul.
Ha? Taas, taas, taas!
Number 0. May foul.
Ilan si Bina? Isa pa lang?
Foul si number 2 0.
Ilan?
First personal foul.
First pa lang. First. Ha? Ha? Wala, hindi sila naman. Malaki daw kasi si Bina.
Unang free throw na ulit. Second free throw. Wala ba yan? Wala mo ba number 13? 13. Oy, malakas.
Par, magaan yung bola.
Nasa page ba yan? Live? Sir, hindi naka-live? Hindi naka-live. Oo. Ina-upload ko lang to.
Sa
YouTube oh.
Wala.
No good. Rebel by number 29. Basket.
Par, huwag magpa-screen.
Jump Seat channel, sir.
Hoy, huwag kayo magpa-screen.
No good. Rebel by number 15. Number 7, to number 7. Bang! For way by number 7.
Jump Seat, sir. Jump Seat channel.
Labas. Dribble.
Eh, kuha mo ba eh?
Number 09. Basket.
Par. Pasok nyo. Alalaki nyo eh. Pasukin nyo ba?
2 minutes and 5. Oy.
Yeah, dribble.
Number Number 7, nag-iisa lang.
Nice, nice.
Basket. Number 0, pass to number 18. Easy basket.
Uwi na tayo tayo eh. Uwi na tayo. Hindi ka pwedeng magsabay dalawa.
Ay, agaw. Number 7, 7, no good. Rebound by number 29, Supal Palay naman.
Taas lang.
Number 18, basket. By number 18.
Sandoy yung...
Number 7. 7. Sabrek. Substitution. One minute and 5 seconds remaining.
Parap, parap, parap. Huli.
Sige, Saro. No good. Rebound by number 20.
Kuha bola.
20 to number 13.
Diretso mo.
To number 21.
Kaya.
21. To number 14. Oh, agaw by number Saro. Saro.
Sandoy, diretso
By
mo.
foul.
Magaan yung bola.
Penalty. Number 14. Foul.
Oh.
Two shots.
Asyong.
By Saro.
Gibara. Pauwi mo sa bahay. Pauwi.
Una free throw. No good.
Sige, sa pagpungasok kasi yung pito.
Nakangiti rin dapat.
Ha?
Nakangiti rin ba dapat?
Oo nga.
No good. Sabrek. Substitution. Number 30 now. Sabrek. Sige sa.
Mamaya take advantage sila. Bigyan ng screen.
46.
Nice pass.
Number 09. No good. 30 and 18. Number 18 to number 7. Number 7 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 09. 09. Pass to number 21. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds remaining ba? Basket by number 09. 3, 2, 1, 0. And of the first quarter, the score 17 Salvia. Fighting Bowlers 14. Number 14 to number 46. 46 to number 14. No good. Rebound by number 8. Number 7. 7. Yes, shoot. 3 seconds wait, sir. 46. 46. Pass number 14. Wala pa rin. Okay, agaw. Basket by number 17.
D. Ayun na.
Oh, good.
Back out.
Ay. Ingat.
Ingat, Miguel.
May bakal dyan.
Oo. Mainit eh. Walang electric fan.
Number 8. Ay, agaw.
Nice.
Agaw.
Dribble.
Ay, agaw pa rin. 15 to number 7. Basket by kasama pang foul.
Sayang. Zero.
Sabrek.
Syong, lapitan mo siya, Syong.
Number 17 foul. Blocking foul.
Lamang na sana eh. Bound!
No good. Level by 17. To number 14. 14 na bumadala. Basket. May kasama pong foul.
Nice. Uya na.
Number 2 foul. Basket count. Blocking foul. Number 2. Full shot. Bonus free throw. Wala. Removal versa. 7. Pass to number 6. Number 7. Oy. Yung ball, 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 7. 7. Number 7 may foul. May foul si number. Baseline number 21 foul. Subrep. Substitution. Number 7 line out. 20 in. Number 2 to number 7. 10 seconds to shoot.
Taas!
Number 10 for 3.
Wala.
No good. 3 ay.
Pasok. Wala. Dribble! Kuha bola!
Number 20. To number 14. No good. 14 pa rin. 14. To number 46. To number 17. Oh, wala siya by number 17.
Ang gaan na.
No good.
Last break. Nice pass.
Number 14. Basket na naman. And score 22-19. Friday Warriors up by 3.
Taas lang!
No good. Ay, no good. Rebound by number 6. Oh, basket.
Oy, tulong kayo! Mamaya.
22-21 score. 4-6. Number 46 to number 21.
Salubong!
21. Oh, nice shot by number 21.
Gibara!
Number 2, no good. Rebound by number 14. Oy. Sabrep. Substitution. Sige siya. Pasok.
Parap!
Number 0. Basket.
Depensa, oy! Ang lalaki nyo eh! Bigyan nyo ng depensa!
46. Score 24. Fouling violation. Score Friday Bowlers 24, Salvia 23.
Para!
Number 0.
Go.
Level by number 25. 25. Pass to number 46. 46. Pass to number 21. 21 naman. Trouble.
Bilisan tayo, okay lang! Baba, depensa! Depensa, okay lang! Normal yun! Noel, pasok! Noel!
0 for 3, no good. Number 8, no good pa rin. 0 naman, no good. Bravo by number 14. 14.
Sir. Excuse me, sir.
Tabigin. Kasawa na yung daya-daya eh.
Naibigan na.
Number 8 to number 2, no good. No good pa din.
Stop.
Substitution. Sobre. 5 minutes. Score 24-23. Friday Bulldogs up by 1. 25 to number 14. No good. Broken by number 10. To number Saro. Basket. 25-24. 25. Oy. Naputol. Number 2 to number Saro again.
Time out. Sige.
My foul. Foul si number 8. Sabrep. Number 8 foul.
Okay, side tayo, side. Uy, dito mo si ano.
Number 12. Tumira na 3. Bang! Away! It's a tie. 3 minutes and 55. Number 10. To number 2. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 10. To wala pass.
Tira.
Number 1. Number 1 pass to number 25. 25. To number 21. Number 1. Number 1. No good. Rebound by number 20. Oh, sayang.
Baba.
Saro. No good. Rebound by number 21. 21 now. To number 1. Number 1. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 20. 20 to number 1. Wala pa rin. Number 20 na ang babalat.
Hoy!
Sige, sir.
Wala! Sipag depensa!
Meron pa siya. Isa.
Number 10.
Ayun na!
10 seconds to shoot. Number 2 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 21. 21. Oy.
Baba! Okay na yan!
Number 10. 10 to number. Oy. Number 8. 15 to number 10. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 0 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 20. 21 now. 21 now. 21. Number 12 naman. No good. Sobre. Substitution.
Si Jay daw, si Jay. Pasok, si Jay.
One minute 50.
Tigas!
Number 15. Basket by number 15. 1 minute 33.
Screen!
25. Basket.
Harap na agad!
Basket by number 20. Number 18 is taking line. 31 all.
Bolander, Bolander.
55 seconds remaining, second quarter. 25 pass to number 20 by foul. By foul si number 10, illegal use of hand, 2 shots. First personal foul, second, third team foul. Second free throw. Wala. Rebound by Sarasaro. Sarasaro. Oy, to number 18. No good. Oh, nice follow-up by number Sarasaro.
Ay, 23 seconds.
20 seconds remaining. Number Sarasaro. By number 15. Sara, 10 seconds. Sara, basket na naman. 3, 2, 1. Oh, sayang. Hindi naman. And of the second quarter, score, Salvia 35-31, Friday Bullets. Oh, nice shot by number 18.
Ay, yung charger ng laptop.
Lagay kayo screens.
Number 20. Oh, no good. Simba.
Parap.
No good. 25. Ay, lakas.
Wala, hindi pa tayo kumakain na tayo.
Sayang yung natin kanina.
Hindi na magagamit.
Number 2.
Hindi pa ganda naman.
Saro. 10 seconds shoot. Traveling violation.
Go na, go! Tira!
Number 13, bang for 3.
Pero mag-usap kayo ni Alvina para makatakbo ka agad.
37, 34. Number 7. Number Traveling violation.
Una, sagad ka na. Diretso mo.
7. Pass to number 25.
Ganun din naman.
Ay, si Ibarra.
To number 20. Nasundan. Simbol.
Sayang, hindi tayo makalayo ah. Tayo pa nagkapon.
13. To number 3. Basket by number 3.
Di.
Baba na, Jong!
Balik na, baba na.
Saro.
Sabi pa sa pisa!
To number 7. Tumira ng 3. No good. Long rebound by number Saro. Saro. No good. Rebound by number 20. 20 to number 3. Number 3. Oh, yeah.
Baba. Si Anthony.
Number Saro to number 18. No good. Number 7. No good again.
Hindi pumapasok ah.
Time out! Salmia. This time out brought you by Sport Sabara, Casino Binoy, Venta Cafe, and Restaurant, Jur Sabara. Back to 14.
Sa kabila, sa kabila!
Sara. Oh, agaw. By number Sara. Basket. Number 7. Oh, good. Grab on by number 18. Pass to number 2. Number 2 now. Number 2. Pass to number 7. Basket. Score 41-36. Salmia by 5. Number 13. Tumira na 3. So good. Grab by number 18 na mamadali. Pass to number 5. Steal by number 25. 25 now. Pass to number 20. 20. Pass it.
Si Joseph. Ito, per, si Joseph. Sa'yo na yan.
Sara.
Taas lang.
Pass to number 29. 29. No good. Sliding bonus ball. Ay, ibigin sir. Lapit kayo sir, lapit. Sige sir. Saro. Basket na naman. Number Saro. Sige sir, deep ball sir, deep ball.
Sige sir. Deep ball.
Di ba ikaw magdala bola mamaya? Sige ba. Drive.
30. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 20. Basket.
Harap.
4 minutes and 50 remaining and the third quarter. 10 seconds to shoot.
At yung sa gitna oh.
Number 5 seconds to shoot. Number 2 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 3.
Push.
20 to number 25.
Timeout kami sir.
25.
Timeout kami sir.
Sige sir.
Diretso mo na.
Number 13, no good. Rebound by number 3. Pasok. Hindi kayo
Kasi tayo na kasi.
Harap. O, harap kayo. Bigyan nyo ng ano.
Number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 1. Number 0 pala. Number 24, 25. Substitution. 25. 25, third personal foul. Sabrep. Sige sir, pasok.
Sige sir.
Okay, 46 in, 30 now.
Nangangapan eh.
10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. No good. Good. Number 46.
Tira.
4-6, 4-3, bang! We're winning! Number 7, Babawi, no good.
Oh, nice. Momentum.
Sabrep. Sige sa pasok.
Par, bigay screen.
4-6.
Daya.
Number 7. Oh, basket by number 7.
Palta mo yung kampas. Nice D.
My foul. Sabi sana.
Per.
Foul number 21. 21 foul. Sabrep. Hit to the head.
Tapos ng tubig mo malilim. Malinit yun. Bigyan ako sa nila eh.
Unang free throw. Basket.
Meg, isa pa.
Baksa ka na.
Ha? Ako ito. Kaya nga, dalawang. Siya ako kuha ng bola eh.
Box out.
Second free throw. Basket pa rin.
Sigaw lang kapag tumugultog sigaw.
09, no good. Oops.
Tira.
46, 46, no good. Rebound by
Sige, baba.
Agaw. By number 09, 09, Supal Balay naman. 09 again, 09. Traveling.
Harap.
1 minute 45.
Palitan mo hindi mo.
Harap. Nice D.
10 seconds to shoot. Number 29.
Maganda pa.
08, no good.
Sayang.
Same ball. Hindi tumama sa ring ha. 2 seconds to shoot.
Hindi. Board lang.
Daya, 2 seconds.
Hindi tumama sa ring. Hindi tumama. 2 seconds.
Titira yan. Go, takbo.
Sagad.
14. Number 14. No good. Rebound by 15. 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining. 29. Traveling. Substitution. Number 13 in. 20 out.
Hoy, tingin kayo ng tao. Libre, sayang.
Waiting ba ako?
Okay, sayang eh. Hoy, yung pasa.
15 seconds remaining.
Ah?
Oh, yeah. Number 7 kinaliwa. No good.
Go.
43 seconds remaining. 21. Oy.
Two shot.
My foul. Si number.
Si number 9.
Foul number 29. 2 shots. Unang free throw. No good. Second free throw. Wala.
Ay, diskarte.
Hoy, 37 seconds oh. Ano, nagkakasya ka niya.
Number 7. Oh, yeah, agawin number 4 foul. 46.
Hoy,
My foul.
UF.
May UF tayo. UFC number C4.
Two shot.
Number 29. 29 UF.
Ibarra, isip ko nyo. Atake na atake.
Unang free throw, basket.
Hoy, Gibara, last shot, 15 seconds.
Bola nyo.
Bola natin yan, bola natin. Parang ang lasing eh.
Second free throw.
Gibara, parang ang lasing. Penalty yan eh. Last shot, last shot. Nice one. Diretso mo na.
21. Oh, basket. 21.
Para.
8,
Uli, uli.
7,
Ano ba yan? 7
Six.
seconds.
5.
Nice one.
Oh, nakalusot naman. Basket.
Para.
2, 1, 0. And on the third quarter score, 52 Friday Bowlers, Salmia 45.
Papituin mo kaya siya dito. Pwede. Papituin mo kaya siya dito. Sino ba? Bamba.
Sub.
Uy!
Cardi,
Dahil perimeter
number 13 pass to number 14, no good. Rebound by 21. Number 21, no good. Rebound by 5.
Amen.
Dayan, nakapik.
Same ball.
Sayang yung sa kurake.
Number 7, no good. Rebound by Sarasara. Sarasara now. Sarasara, layup no good. Rebound by number 14. 14 to number 21. Number 21 to number 13. No good. 15. 15 pass to number Sarasara.
Go.
Time out.
Sarasara, no good. Oy, ingat sir, ingat. Ingat kasi may bakal dyan.
Pag nakashoot sir tayo.
Sige sir.
Depensa.
7 seconds shoot. 5 to shoot. No good. Rebound by my foul. Sorry, sir. Time out. Friday Bowlers. Foul si number. Foul number. Two shots by number 15. Unang free throw, wala. They score Friday Bowlers 52, Salmia 47, 5-point lead. Oh, good. Rebound by number 13. Number 3 to number 21. Number 21 to 81, no good. Rebound by number 15. 15 pass to number 8. Number 8, pass it.
Sam, bravo, Sam. Eric.
Number 13, no good. Foul.
2-1.
May foul si number 14. Substitution.
Daya.
Substitution. Number 14 out.
Greg! This one.
Last 7 minutes and 55. Number 8 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 18. May foul. Foul si number. Sabsa. Number 13. Sabrep. Substitution. Third team ball, first personal foul, number 13. Oh, nice shot by number 15. 1 point lead. 52-51.
Bigay ng screen!
7 to number 13 for 3. No good. My foul. My UF na foul.
Away from the ball, UF tayo!
UF tayo away from the ball. Number
C1 tayo!
C1. Number 18. Number 18. Two shots plus ball position.
Formasyon! Isa lang!
Wala ko na. Number 13. Oh, wala mo by number 13. Iuwi naman tayo.
Dalawa kami, oh. Sino kami? Nakawit na eh. Hindi na alam gagawin ni Carlo eh.
Iuwi tayo si number C3. Number 12.
Hindi na alam gagawin ni Carlo.
Two shots plus ball possession. Unang free throw. Basket.
Pag sa kanya yung bola, walang hangin.
Sige siya.
Second free throw. Wala. Plus ball possession.
Siya ko siya?
Saro na naman. No good. Win by their team. Boy. Number 8. Number 8. Basket. May kasama mong foul. Penalty. Basket count. Sagrisan. Basket count. Number 20. Foul. Illegal contact. Sabrep.
Ang shooter.
Bolos free throw. Basket. Sabrep. Substitution. Penalty na po si Friday Bullers. My foul. My foul si number 2. Second personal foul, second team foul. Basket by number 1. Number 7 for 3. Bang! The foul. Number 18.
Dalawa sa.
Dalawa pa.
Opo.
Number 13. No good. Possible, Sarasara.
Wala pang control ng bola ang team. Wala pang control.
Nabol niya pa lang.
Number 1. Basic foul. May basic foul. Number 3.
Moving sa shooter. Tama sila.
Moving screen.
Nakaw yun.
Oy, bata, saglit. Sadik!
Bata. Patalastas.
Sabre. Substitution. Sub. Saro. No good. Bravo by number 20. To number 3. Number 25. Basket kagad. Last 5 minutes. Number 2 to number 7. 18 to number 7. 8 seconds to shoot. No good. Bravo by number 20. 20 to number 25.
Bigay. Nice.
Basket by number 3. Time out. Salvia.
Ganda. Ikot nyo lang bola.
Explain namin. Okay. Wala pang control. Hindi pa ang tao nakapunta dito. Ay, di. All tayo, all.
JC ha?
Hina.
Number 7 for 3. Bam!
Paset mo muna.
Pacheck muna bago pati makapelo. Hina.
Number 3. Number 25. No good. Number 20.
Pare, yung tres. Par, yung tres. Taasan nyo. Trito kayo. Tres lang yung tres. Diretso, Meg. Balik. Nice
Basket by number 7.
Para.
Pag nakashot tayo, agad.
Para.
Basket. May kasama mong foul. Number 2 foul. Number 3. Okay.
Kasas.
Ay, rebound. Rebound.
Basket. 2-point lead.
Go.
Lagi nakaharap sa bola, puro nakatalikod. Hindi kayo gumagala sa ball! Hindi mo na.
25. No good.
Huli.
Kaba!
Number 7. Nandun na sa labas. Ay, wala.
Tulong.
Kapitan mo!
Taas lang.
10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Basket by number 8.
Galaw, galaw! Hindi lang, makapag yung oras.
Oh.
Hindi lang.
Oh.
My foul.
Two shot, two shot.
Foul si number.
Ilan na yan, sir? Ilan na yan, sir?
17.
Ilan na 18?
Number 18 foul. Third personal foul. Number 18, 40 foul.
Hindi pa penalty. Bola, 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 bola.
Mamaya, mamaya.
Nice one.
25 to number
Counter.
7. 10 seconds to shoot.
Oh, two shot, two shot, two shot.
Blocking
Two shot, two
foul.
shot. Penalty, penalty.
Penalty.
Penalty, penalty, two shot. Ilan na yan, sir?
18 tayo.
Number 18. Blocking foul. Fourth team foul. Fourth personal foul.
Apat, apat.
Fourth personal foul. Number 18.
Mina, relax lang.
Legal play tayo. Ang ball pick kailangan nasa verticality ng
Yung tres lang. Shit,
Oh, good.
man. Isa lang, isa lang, isa lang.
2 minutes, 56 seconds. Let's go.
Maba pa yan. Nice, nice. Kuha bola, kuha bola.
Number 7.
Harap, 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 harap.
Baba ka to, pero parang nagmumol pag nakashoot ka.
Kabila, oh. Nice D, nice D.
18.
Salay, 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 salay. Nice D, nice D.
Number 7 for 3. No good. Number 25. To number 17. Basket. It's a tie again.
Harap, harap, harap.
68 all.
Par, yung tres, yung tres, yung tres. Isa, isa. Ilan tayo matama, sir?
Dalawa na lang.
Sayang ng pass.
Nasa sa likod mo.
8 seconds to shoot. Number 8. Last 2 minutes. 10 seconds to shoot. My foul. My foul.
2 minutes, 2 minutes. Penalty ba?
Both teams penalty.
Both team, penalty.
Horse foul. Both teams penalty. Normal foul number 3. Second personal foul number 3.
Be, pag shoot mo ba agad ba? Gumaganon ka pa ho.
Bound, bound, bound.
Kita na namin na shoot mo, huwag ka mag-alala.
Back out, back out.
Celebrity yan, no? Ang pagalitan.
Ayop ka, pre. Rebound, rebound.
Pinubos kayo sa pagpagin mo kayo.
Bola pa din. Rebel by 13.
Kaya, kaya.
Number, oh my god. Rebel by number 8. Pass to number 15.
Diretso jong, diretso jong, diretso jong.
Ikot mo, pesa mo sa likod.
Stepping line. Symbol.
Sige, depensa, depensa. Lol.
Symbol. 15 seconds to shoot.
Isa na yan.
Yo, isa. Tama lang yan, sige.
Oh, steal. By number 7. Number 7. No good. Number 0. No good. Basketball number 15.
Huwag magpa-screen.
Last 1 minute and 8.
Hawak, hawak.
Foul.
Two shot.
Both teams penalty.
Time out.
Number 8 foul. Sabrep. Oh. Time out. Friday Bullers.
This game is brought to you by Pangina.
Rebound.
Sayang free throw. Both teams penalty. Last 1 minute and 4. Basket.
Harap. Tag-isa.
Oh, likod mo, no, sa likod.
Luzon 15. Agaw number 7. 7 to number 15. May foul.
Two shot.
Foul pa. May lang foul.
Two shot.
Si Saro.
Graduate na yun. Ilan na yan?
Third personal foul. Saro.
Last time out, no? Last time out.
Both teams have 1 timeout remaining. 1 timeout. Last 46 seconds.
Lagabog ang putik, oy!
Trending to social media.
Hoy, trending. Lagabog. Boy, lagabog.
Wala pa yan. Sabay mo may 30. Stepping line.
Sige, harap. Nag-isa, oh. Harap, ayan na.
Last 37. 70-69 score. Still 25. To number 7 by foul.
Yan, dalawa, sir.
By foul. Foul si number 00. Fourth personal foul.
Slowly.
Fourth personal foul number 00. Number 18 and 00. Fourth personal foul. Unang free throw. Basket.
Oy, baba.
It's a tie, 70 all.
Isa lang naman dito.
No good. Well, kung kaya ba 18. 18 to number 00. 00. Shoot number 8. Basket. Time out! Friday Bullers.
Ito lang, ang masabi ko. Dalawa, puntos.
So 14 seconds to play. Shot clock 14 seconds din. Ang ganda ng laban.
Okay.
Dito lang to, ligang gabi. Sa ligang labas.
Walang pa-receive. Walang pa-receive. Thank you sa inyo naman natin. Walang pa-receive. Yung mag-receive.
Last 14 seconds. Last 14 seconds.
Yan.
10 seconds. No good. Rebound by Saro. Number 8. Number 8. Basket. Last 2 seconds. And of the ball game, final score 74-70. Nice game, mga Lods.
Galing nyo. Galing nyo. Saka yung mga
Mga alamat.